Wow, these acrylic colors are awesome! In this video, I'm going to try Saviland Acrylic Kit and transform these nails into something beautiful. Coming up. Hello guys, Anastasia here. I will try Saviland Acrylic Kit today. It includes 10 colors of acrylic powders, 0.35 ounces each. I can already see that these colors include pearl or shimmer, so I bet they're going to look great. I have no clue why this one is called plum, but I already like it. It's like pink with silver pearls. Cobalt violet is another great color with shimmer. Looks like royal light is a chameleon color. It's purple, but also it has blue pearls in it. Then we have 3 transparent colors. First one is dream. It's like purple and clear all together. Then we have peach, which looks like pink magenta to me. These colors will be great for jelly nails. Then we have beautiful light blue color, ice snow. And this one I think is going to be my favorite, sky. It has green and silver pearls in it and it's just beautiful. It's like chameleon color. And also we have 3 regular colors, which is moon, light blue color. Violet is the only color that gives a little marbles. I think you can see some white spots in it, but I think it's still okay for ombre and abstract design. And then we have lotus. This is how all colors look together. I totally love all shimmer and chameleon colors. I'm definitely using all these shimmer shades in my design today, and my favorite one, sky, is definitely going to be there. Let's get to work. I have a client with outgrown nails from a different salon, and first I was thinking of doing fill, but then we decided to change the shape, so I'm just taking them off. First I file off the length, the speed is 22,000 rotations per minute, and then I take off the product. She has gel polish overlay on top and gel nails underneath. I got a feeling in my bones, can't get you out of my face. You can't escape my affection, wrap you up in my daisy chains, hip-hop in the summer. We have a surprise on the thumb. Looks like this gel polish is not fully cured, and see what we have here. It looks like a peely, but in reality it's just not fully cured. For some reason it reminded me of Christine from Simply Nailogical. When she did that, we opened the door, we closed the door when she was taking off peelies from her hands. When gel polish is not cured like that, your bead is definitely going to be clogged. I think you can already see that, like my bead is white in the center, so this part is not going to work anymore. Luckily it was the last nail to take the product off, so it was fine. But if you're dealing that like in the middle of the service, then you will need to use another bead, otherwise it's not going to work. Then I'm filing her natural nails short. I'm using 180 grit file. Nail prep that I usually do with electric nail file. I do the dry manicure, push back the cuticles using flame bit with abrasive mark. First on the forward mode and then I switch to reverse mode. Trimming the cuticles with the scissors. Nails are ready, nice and clean, and we are going to do product application. I fit the form, apply dehydrator, wait until it's dry, and then apply non-acid primer. I'm going to start with the white acrylic and build the base, the tip of the nail first. We decided to go with almond shape, since this is the favorite shape of this client. Since I decided to use all the bright colors from this collection, pink, purple, violet, green, it is better to use white underneath, because it makes all the colors pop and they will look brighter. The first bead when doing the application is the most important one, because it fully determines the final look and shape of the nail. So if you see that it's kind of messy, that it's not symmetrical and you do not like the look, it is better to take it off before it's too late and start doing another one. At the end of the day, you will not really spend that much time by doing that because you just take it off and start over. Compared to you leave it, then you apply more product on top and more product on top and will end up with filing, which will take definitely a lot more time and effort. Let's add some colors. I am just taking random colors. There are only 3 basic, like violet, blue and pink. Just taking the small beads and randomly doing the color fade, so we will have this light pastel background. By the way, when you're working with colors that give a little marble, it's usually not a problem at all when you're doing the designs like this or doing an ombre. You probably noticed that when we are doing a fade like that, all colors appear even lighter than they are in real life. That's why it was definitely a good idea to have white underneath. Otherwise, it is going to look a bit transparent. I think we have some kind of the background already. Now let's add some brighter colors and glitter. And the first one will be definitely sky, the one that I like the most. And oh my god, take a look at this. I took a tiny bead and we have so much shine from it. I'm definitely loving this one. It's like beautiful pearl color. Then I'm using pink and slightly fading it on top. Then I use violet. Here's a tip for beginners. If you would like to create abstract designs or multicolor ombre, it is so much easier to do it with any colors that include shimmer or glitter or pearls like this, because they fade and blend so easily compared to regular colors. But they also feel a little bit different, so I recommend to take monomer as you usually do, and at the end you will have the proper consistency to do this kind of design. I definitely enjoy working with these powders because they don't really mess up your brush, they're so easy to blend, and the colors themselves are so pretty. I noticed that this spot is missing, it looks kind of pale and white, so I added some pink. Wait for a couple minutes, then we can take off the form and seal the design. And this is optional, by the way, you can seal it with the form on as well. I usually start from the center, then I slightly apply the product towards the cuticle and towards the free edge. I'm using clear to seal the entire design, so then we can easily file and shape it without worrying that I'm going to file off some design. It reminds me of some kind of romantic, cute, girly galaxy design. Make sure that you cover the entire surface. After a couple minutes, we can slightly pinch the nail with our fingers or a special pinching tool, and this is what we have after application. It's definitely not possible to recreate the same design because each nail is going to be slightly different, which makes the process even more fun. Then let's file and shape the nails. I usually do the shape and filing with 180 grit file. I enjoyed working with this acrylic system so much, so I can definitely recommend it to you guys. And honestly, for quite a while I was feeling like, man, I have so many acrylic colors, but most of them are just boring, they're just regular colors. And these colors are really awesome. I immediately want to create all kind of abstract designs with them. Meanwhile, I filed and shaped the nails, and the last step will be sealing with a top coat, that wow moment when you can finally see the result. This is what we had, and this is what we have now. I will leave all the links down below in the description box. Let me know, guys, what do you think, and thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here on my channel, consider subscribing, as I post new nail art tutorials and product reviews just like this one every week. See you in my next one. Goodbye!